And you said about the training, so I know that ABI yourself have done a lot in YouTube videos, lots of social media content, and that's really helping drive the Repair Don't Waste go forward, isn't it?
Yes, we are passionate about training our customers, training those organizations that are embracing the movement. We want to make sure that they will be using our systems to the best of their abilities, and obviously producing the great results that we talk about in the case studies. So we have the likes of GE Renewable, for instance, a big wind turbine organization that up until 2018 were not repairing anything. And then by us initially approaching them in Brazil in 2018, we started a pilot scheme where they obviously invest in our systems, in our training. They started repairing some of the circuit boards. There's obviously a huge value to be created from embracing repair, reducing the need of spare parts, which are in many cases made on the other side of the world, and they are affected by shortages and delays. The same, wind turbine company faced a situation where in one of the locations they ran out of spare parts, and the original manufacturer quoted 9 months to get more spare parts over to them. Yeah. But they had a room full of circuit boards that had been removed from the wind turbines, faulty circuit boards. So they sent to one of the locations where they already had their systems, and all those circuit boards got repaired within a week, right? And shipped back. And then obviously they had spare parts for the entire year. So these are just one case, one story that I can talk about. And the repair of electronic circuit boards, which are vital for all these industries to operate, is a great way to reduce costs by the millions and reduce their carbon footprint as well.